Looking for an RGB light for outside? I have a real nice one here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is really cool. All metal construction, light changing, RGB, red, green, blue. That's what that means. Let's check it out. Stay tuned. Okay guys, thanks for tuning into review channel. So I have here is some really cool outside landscaping lights sent by Opponent. This is an RGB light. So RGB means red, blue, and green. That's what it means. So this is a solar panel for outdoors. You can use it indoors too if you want to, but you have to charge it outside. So let's do the unboxing and take a quick look at it and see what's in the box. So what we have in the box is some stakes. Some stakes in here. See that? Open this up. See what we have here. We have a couple of stakes, as you can see. These are metal stakes. Nice quality construction, so for outdoor use, okay? Looks like they're either powder coated or I'm not sure, but they seem pretty good. Nice quality. Put that over here. And then what we have is the, let's see what else is in here. Let's pull everything out here. There's a solar panel, remote control, a bracket, some hardware, and some instructions. Okay, so this is what we have in the kit here. Everything's all here, as you can see here. So basically, so let's take a look at everything. Take everything out of the box. So here is your solar panel, okay, right here. And it says here is a maximum power of 5 watts, minimum power voltage of 6 volts, maximum power current of 0.83 amps, open circuit voltage 7.2, current circuit short circuit current to 0.91, and working temperature up to plus 85 Celsius, maximum power tolerance plus 5%. And that's what it says in the specs on the back of this. So what does all that mean? Well, so basically it means it just charges your battery. That's what it means. So let's just get the specs on this. Let's take a look at it. And we have a remote control. So this comes with a remote control, comes with some hardware. And you can mount this anywhere. You can mount this outdoors, near a plant base, and really long wire, which is really kind of cool. And it is water resistant, waterproof actually. Waterproof. The whole thing is pretty much waterproof, which is really kind of cool. Look at that. Take a look at this, and let's take a look at the actual light itself. Open this up, and here is the actual light itself. So the idea behind this is to get this behind different plots of plants and to add some lighting, or if you just want to have some cool lights outside, you know, here's a pamphlet they give you here. So basically what it says here, solar panel, 6 watt, we went over that already. So the important thing is IP67 waterproof, which is really important, okay? So materials all aluminum. This is all high quality, all high grade stuff. So what happens is kind of cool what they did here. They integrated the light and the battery into this one unit. So this is a sealed unit with the battery, which is right here. It's a 3.7 volt, 4400 milliohm ion battery. So that's what's in here. And this is the charging system basically. So this should basically charge this all day and this runs all night. That's the idea behind it. And then you have your spikes. You can hook up your spikes to this and you can place in your landscaping, or if you want to mount this on a wall outside or whatever you want to do. It's very versatile. That's a very cool system. I really like this a lot. But this is really kind of cool. So this will charge. Charging time roughly 6 to 8 hours in full sun, just so you know. And running time about 10 to 12 hours once fully charged. So this is pretty much how, so this will pretty much run all night and charge all day. Even with a little clouded and cloud base, it'll still charge. And so that's pretty much how it works. So 6 to 8 hours to charge, running time 10 to 12 hours fully charged, all aluminum case, all aluminum, waterproof. Really nice. This is a really super, when I got this, I think the quality build on this is really excellent. I have to say, I am very impressed with the quality built in this item. Absolutely, 100%. Nice. Check out all the items, all the lighting items. Really nice stuff in this. I mean, everything they give you is all high. Everything is here seems to be really top-notch quality. But let's take a look at the light together. Let's just put this in. We'll just plug this in here, and you just twist this here, and this makes the watertight seal. So that's easy enough, right? So I already let this sit outside and charge. So it's already charged. There's the remote control. Now when you get the remote control, and you have to have the remote control to use it. So that's important. So don't lose it, break it, or misplace it. Comes with the battery tab. You pull the battery tab out. Pull that out. Okay. Pull that out. There you go. It's already working. So once you pull the battery tab out, it pretty much activates the battery, and it does come with battery. So props to them for giving you the battery. So you have the whole kit here. You have everything you need. You have the spikes. You have mounting brackets, you have the nuts and bolts, anything you want to do with any type of landscaping or any type of situation, everything is here to go. So let's just take a look at it real quick. We'll go over some of the remote settings. So let's go over this. Let's go over the remote and all the settings. So again, set this outside and let it charge. Put it any way you want to, landscaping, outdoor, deck, 2 or 3 of them, whatever you want to do. So it's really a very versatile system, and again, very high quality. So let's take a look at it together. So let's turn it on. So here's your red. Okay, so red, green, blue, don't forget, right? Those are your primary colors. So this is red, but each red, there's different settings of different tints. So you can hit mode, and it kind of changes a little bit within the red tones, right? And you can see that, right? That's cool. And then we have green, red, there's green, here's blue, okay? And then you can click again. Different color settings, there you go. See that? Green, different color, light, different. So they have different color settings. Really kind of cool, different. And then you just have your and then you hit the RGB button, and that pretty much sets it right back up to a different mixture. So it'll keep changing the light color automatically. So it's really kind of cool. Just get to kind of rotate. So if you're looking for like a cool, you know, changing of lights all the time, so it'll automatically just change the lights. Or if you just want a fixed light, you just hit the red, the green, the blue, different color tones within each one of those, and then the RGB, which is just pretty much rotates through the color scheme. So that's how that works. So other features it does have, it has an auto. So what does auto mean? So auto means is that when it gets dark out, the light will go on automatically. You know, I can't make it dark in here, it's too bright in here, but when it gets dark, the light goes on, and during the day, the light shuts off. So that's what that does. So that's how auto works. So that's simple enough. Then you have a timer. So how a timer works, you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 settings for hours, okay? So here we go. So let's say it's a 3 hours, hit 3 hours, and that automatically beep one time. You can see how it flashed. You know, just keep going for 3 hours. Here's 4 hours, and 5 hours, and so on and so on. So that, you can just do that. So let's say you wanna turn it on, you want the red for 3 hours. Pretty much that's it. So that'll stay red for 3 hours. If you want it to just rotate, RGB, 3 hours, and then I'll just change colors consistently for 3 hours. So that's how that works. So this is really, really simple. So simple remote, simple cool lighting, nice quality, heavy duty construction, aluminum body, no plastic here, glass. I mean, this is not a cheap item. This is a really nice quality item, I tell you. Props to the company, as always. They do a great job making these items here. And also, everything is, again, super, super high quality. They give you a nice long cord, which is kind of cool. I do like that. So plenty of run room. You can put this anywhere you want to. You can mount this outside. So whatever's, you know, and it's not too big, just enough to charge it. Make sure you clean the glass. If it does get dirty outside and you're not getting a charge, clean the glass. That's really important. So this is a, again, waterproof, outdoor, beautiful situation, and that's it.
Okay guys, I just wanted to give you just a look here. So I have it on RGB, so it just rotates. As you can see, it's just on a plain wall, and it's just rotating on its own, all by itself, which is kind of cool. Think about this with landscaping, with plants and flowers, or just your home. I think it looks really nice, and it's really, really cool and real simple. And it can, like I said, charge all day and runs all night. Can't go wrong with that.
That's it. All right, guys. Have any questions or comments? Leave down below. Let me know what you think of this item. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as always. I appreciate that so much. It does help my channel out. And I'll see you at the next review.